It has a tiny little hole the exhaust comes out of. Welcome to the scooter shop. This scooter came with this very restrictive exhaust system. You can't really even see that. And I hear if you put an exhaust on these things, not only do they sound a lot better, but it opens up the airflow. So let's do a sound comparison. It's cold out here, so a bit of time to warm up. I bought this kit on Amazon for $90 and some change. Cool looking carbon fiber thing, but that should definitely open it up. All right, let's get to work.